In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI logo in Canva. We'll start from a blank canvas and finish with a polished logo you can download and use right away. First, open Canva. On the home page, click Create a Design and choose Logo. This automatically sets you up with a square canvas, which is perfect for most use cases. Common sizes you'll see are 500 by 500 pixels, or 1080 by 1080 pixels. If you need a very crisp look, the larger size gives you more flexibility when scaling down. Next, look over to the left sidebar and click Apps. In the search bar, type AI logo or select Magic Media. Both options connect you to Canva's AI tools for generating logo ideas. Once inside, you'll see a prompt box. This is where clarity pays off. Describe your logo in detail, include the business name, the industry, and the vibe you are going for: playful, minimalist, modern, or tech. Focus, specify your primary colors and your background color, especially if your brand has a defined palette. The clearer your description, the closer the results will be to your vision. You'll also see an option to choose how many designs to generate at once: 1, 2, or 4. Pick what suits your workflow. Generating more at once gives you broader variety, while a single option can be faster if you already have a strong direction. Click Create and let Canva build out multiple AI-powered logo options. Give it a moment to process. When the results appear, browse through them and select the one that feels closest to your brand. Add it to your canvas to begin refining. Now, customize. Use Canvas Editor to adjust text, swap fonts, and fine-tune colors so they align with your brand guidelines. Keep an eye on readability and balance. Logos should look clean at both large and small sizes. If your design includes a background you don't want, the Background Remover tool can help create a clean, transparent look. Note that this is a pro feature. You can also duplicate your design on the canvas to experiment with small variations, like letter spacing or icon size, without losing your original. When you are happy with the design, it's time to export. Click Share in the top right corner, then Download. Choose PNG for crisp edges, or JPG for a lighter file size. If you need a transparent background, enable the transparent option before downloading, which is available with Canva Pro. That's it. Thanks for watching.